Hello everyone, I am back. Thank you for stopping by. My name is V. If you're new here, my name is V. And in today's simple, single eyeshadow look on hooded eyes, I am now down to number 6. There are 6 pans in this palette, 6 different shades. It is the Berries by JUVIA'S, and now we are on number 6. This color right here is the one I'm going to use, and I am going to put it all over my eyes as a single eyeshadow. We gotta start, except I did not take anything yet. Okay, my eyes are primed and I am ready to do this. Yay, yay, yay. Number 6. Okay. The berries. I am only stamping the color in, and then I will go back and blend. This is a deep, 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 deep purple. And I am loving it, loving it. Now in this single eyeshadow, I am blowing it up all the way to the brow bone. You can wear your single eyeshadow only on the lid, only on the lids of your eyes, or you can go a little above your crease so your color will show whether your eyes are open or closed, or you can take it and you can blow it up all the way to the brow bone and create one color. Either way you do it, it's good. I am loving this color. I love this color always. OMG. Take a look. I'm excited because those are my kind of colors. Deep and dark. I am also stamping. I have not blended anything yet. I am just stamping both eyes first. This. I can use this color every day and be happy with it. Like every day. And I'll be happy with it. Okay, now we are going to smooth the edges because we don't have much to blend. We just want to smooth our edges. I want you to see what I am doing. This color. Let me clean it up. I'll be back. blush. Lips. We are doing lips right now. Black Radiance. And this is today's simple, single, everyday eyeshadow look on hooded eyes. This time I blew the color all the way up to the brow bone. One color eyeshadow. And this is it. We have now come to the 6 colors in the Berries JUVIA'S place. This is the palette, and there is one single eyeshadow look on hooded eyes for each color. I love this color. The deeper the color, the more I like it. And this color is screaming my name everywhere. It's like, yes, this is you, this is you, this is you. I love the deep colors. Anyways, simple eyeshadow look, everyday eyeshadow look, one color eyeshadow look, hooded eyes, not hooded eyes, can wear one color eyeshadow look. Bump it up with your black mascara, your black eyeliner, lipstick of your choice. You're ready to go. Let's go rock that party. I am hoping that you will like this video, you will thumbs up this video, you will share this video, and you'll subscribe to my channel. And when you do subscribe, hit that notification bell and then hit all, because everything I post you will receive. I hope you will decide to join my YouTube family. Thank you again very, very much for watching my videos. Please remember, self is important. take care of self, and I will see you in another video. I love you. Always remember that there is someone who loves you very much. I do. You are important to someone out there, and let it be that you are important to you.